Bye, Bebo. Bye, Isaac. I'll be right back. Alright, so I have GoPro 3 mounted on the flex clamp. It's vibrating quite a bit, so but it's clipped on real quick to the rear license plate. Close the gate real quick so the kids don't get out. Gotta cage those kids in, you know? Alright, let's give this a shot. Alright. That's probably pretty vibratey. Alright, let's go ahead and try another good upside down shot. Let's see here. This thing, I don't know if I can clamp on that. Doesn't seem super secure. But I don't think it's going to go anywhere. Alright, well, that's probably about where I want it. Alright. Alright, let's see how that one works. Alright, so today I'm testing out the flex clamp on the bike. It's not the first time I've done it, but it's the first time I've been able to do it while vlogging. This is my new, well, down there, that's my new GoPro Hero 3 Plus. And I'm just kind of testing out some angles on it, see what I like and what I don't like. But I can already tell you, there's already a few different positions that I've really liked so far. Let's go ahead and try one more. This time what we'll do is we'll take off. That's how easy it is. This is the GoPro flex clamp. I'm upside down. There we are. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and get the app going. Start that preview. There we are. Alright, so actually I just hit the thing, but like I'll move the camera up, see how it changes on the profile. I'll bring it to a larger picture here. It actually responds pretty quick to what's going on in the app itself, so that's pretty cool. What we want to do is go to the options. Well, we guess we can't do that while we're recording. We'll go ahead and stop recording real quick.
Nice bike.
Thanks, man. It'll probably help if I put the gloves on. Never tried that at home, huh? Kickstands up. Alright. Alrighty. So, yeah, just testing out some different angles, seeing how everything works. Try a little bit faster here. At speed, I'm assuming it's going to vibrate a lot. Right now I'm going about 60, so we'll see how that works out. Hopefully it's not too vibrational. But thankfully, I think it was the Gadfly put up a little response saying to use the little white piece, that little stabilizer thing that comes with the GoPro. I never even knew what it was for. I kind of assumed it was for stabilizing, but it's been a long time since I bought the original my GoPro Hero 2, and so I forgot I even had it. And so hopefully that cuts out on the vibration. Let's see here. Let me put it up here. All right. I feel like I just took the gloves off. So the nice thing about having this flex clamp is that you have like a portable camera that you can use, and then when you want to take off your gloves and stuff, you have a way to just pin it onto the bike. And I guess I could theoretically ride around with this setup on the bike like so, and maybe even have it turned off, and then when I get to a nice area and I'm cruising around, I guess I could theoretically unclamp it and then use it while I'm riding to kind of show off scenery, and then reclamp it when the twisty stuff starts coming up. So anyways, that's kind of a neat little concept maybe. A lot of uses with this little flex clamp.